Shown in the CCTV footage, we are asking the police to use this to rearrest him, to arrest him, get him arrested because he's not complying with or not cooperating with investigation. So this is our demand, that he is not cooperating with the investigation, he has tampered with evidence and hence he should be arrested.
तुमगेर आमी पाळीव ती रानटी जनावरां पळयल्यात सो तुमकां कितें सांगपाचें आसा?
बींग अ एनिमल लवर हांव आयज हेचेर येयला हिंगा पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर आमच्या मारगांव पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर हांव जस्ट पळयतालो कितें हें जालां पळय तें आनी पीआयच्या फुड्यान हांव बोल्लो हें पयलें पीआयच्या फुड्यान हांवें तिका हें पळयलें कित्याक म्हाका म्हज्या एक्सपिरियन्सा प्रमाणे जे पळय आतां केस रेजिस्टर केल्या आनी ताणें ऑलरेडी FIR केलो FIR करून ते पुलिसीक घातले सो जेन्ना गरो वच पळय थिंगा आमकां किंवां म्हाका जेन्ना जाता विदीन 12,000 6,000 FIR जाता पूण एका केसीक FIR भीक मागचें पडटा FIR करपाक दारां धाडची पडटा पूण ह्या केसीन FIR जाला आनी आपणाचे हात साफ केले ताणें कोर्टाचे सो हितून दाखयता हितून म्हाका दिसता हितून कितें तरी हाय हँड आहा आनी जी पळय जस्टीस मागतात ह्या मोनजाती वा जानवरांक जी जाप ना उलोवपाक जायना ना आनी आमी एज अ एनिमल लवर्स ह्यो रिक्वेस्ट आतां जे आतां एक मॅडमीन आतां ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आहा हेचेर एमेंडमेंट हाडून ह्यो स्ट्रिक्टली आमचे आतां मान्सून सेशन जातलो हेचेर तर जावं ते जानवरांक हे रस्त्यांचेर जायतीं येता हेचेर एमेंडमेंट हाडून तेणी हें करपाचें ओन्ली फायन्स आनी आतां आमच्या CMाचो स्टेटमेंट पळयता हेचेर दाखयता की अमके आमी रेजिस्टर करूंक जाय डॉग्स रेजिस्टर करूंक जाय पूण डॉग्सांक रेजिस्टर केलें वो कितें केलें जाल्यार डॉग्सांची सुरक्षा फूंय मेवता आतां पळय एका शूट केलो जर आमी रेजिस्टर केलें तेजेर कितें एक्शन जातलें सो बेस्ड ऑन दॅट हे एमेंडमेंट हाडून जसं आतां मॅडमीन सांगलां वर्जिनिया ह्यो एमेंडमेंट हाडून कितें तरी स्ट्रिक्टली घेवपाचो आनी ह्या मान्सून सेशनाक हें करपाचें म्हजें आनी कांय उलयना बींग एनिमल लवर एंड डॉग लवर म्हणून येता म्हज्या घरान जायतीं आहा डॉमेस्टीकूय आहा आनी वायल्डूय आहा आमच्या हितून येता पळय ती
different action for the same crime. One we see in the old Goa, they got immediate arrested. But here,
let me give you the answer for your question. According to the police, if there is no cooperation from the accused, they had run away, they had disappeared. So on that ground, they had to arrest them. But here, the accused has cooperated from yesterday itself. He was brought to the police station. He has submitted a weapon, which we are contesting to be the correct weapon. On those grounds, the police do not have the right to arrest him because he has cooperated with the investigation.
So either way, we are making another letter saying that this is not the weapon that has been used. So let the police cross-verify it and hopefully you'll get arrested very soon.
Vasco different, Kolwa different. So same no. We are in Goa only. So तांकां अरेस्ट करून हाडून भितून घालपा जाता जाल्यार हिंगा हेका कित्याक अरेस्ट करूं ना सेकंडली वेपन अजून दाखोवंक ना आमकां कोणाक तेंच्यांनी हाडला म्हणून सांगला आमी कोणी पळोवंक ना जे वेपन आहा पळय ते आमच्या व्हिडियोचेर तेंचे CCTV फुटेजाचेर दिसता ते वेपन आनी ते जे वेपन सांगता ते वेपन मॅच जायना आतां ते सांगता आमकां हें जाय म्हणटा पॅलेट जाय तेज्या आतां त्या सुण्यांक आमकां मारचो पडलो ते पॅलेट काडपाक एक तेज्या तकलेन गेला दोळो एक मातसो एक less than a centimeter he missed his eye otherwise he would have lost his eye okay brain almost it has reached his brain okay secondly हांव म्हणटा तेजी आवय बापूय त्या भुरग्याची ती तेज्या बरा आहा तूं भुरग्यांक कितें शिकोवंक सोदता तुमी this is a first stage of getting into crime and I'm sure this boy will get into some criminal offense tomorrow.
Not only
he's
involved, his mother's also involved.
Whole family.
So what happened? I saw the full video because it is my house. So I clearly, I watched till 1 hour. I saw this mother also was with him to kill that dog. So both are involved.
Running behind him.
And they are running behind him. The dog is running to save himself also. You can see the video on the Facebook.
neighboranचे personal issues are ताका लागून राग
Yeah, राग काढला त्याचे. पण सुनेचं किती असं आहे? If the dog is come by mistake one day there, she should inform us.
आणि आजकाल कितें जालां आजकाल कितें जालां
This is wrong, no? At least we can come and take it. And he is not a harmful dog. He is inside a house dog.
नो आजकाल कितें जालां खबर हांव तुका सांगता पर्सनल एनिमिटी जी आहा न्हू ती सुण्यांचेर काडटा पॅट डॉगांचेर काडटा नाल्यार हें तांकां इजी जालां कित्याक तांकां कितें जालां लोकांक खबर आहा की सुण्यांक मारलें न्हू कांय एक्शन जायना म्हणटा सो दॅट्स वाय वी वॉन्ट टू सेट अ एग्जाम्पल दिस टायम आनी हेंकां जर आतां सोडलें न्हू फाल्यां हांव तुका सांगता 2 म्हयन्या पयलीं एक केस जाला आमी ते थंय FIR जाला हें केला पूण आतां जाला कितें न्हू हें इजी जावन पडलां आनी हांव सांगता फाल्यां परवा आनी एक केस जातली आतां अशीच
Tell me one thing, why police are not arresting? There have been so many, several cases.
Maybe he is having some pressure from somewhere. Political pressure असू
Very much
शकता
a political pressure.
कळ्ळें न्हू
No, and-
इट इज इजिली सीन आतां तूं म्हाका एक सिंपल एक रिजन तुमी मिडिया तुमकां खबर आसतलें न्यूजूय तुमी फॉलो करता सो लास्ट टायम ओल्ड गोवान जर अरेस्ट करून तांकां 4 दीस भितून दवरल्या तर हांगा कित्याक शूट केला जाल्यार मनशाक तुमी तो इवन चॅलेंजींग यू सी हिज एटिट्यूड
And the mother had the guts. And the mother had the guts to tell my sister, let me see what you guys can do. So we all are here right now to show her what we can do, and that's why we are here to get justice for Fufi. He's lying there with 4 bullets in him, and he's not doing anything about it. We want justice for Fufi.
पुलिस किस सांगतात
पण आम्ही FIR फाईल केले बस झाले
What is the condition of that dog?
He's still got bullets in him, and they said it's risky to get them out, even if he has to go through a surgery.
but he is not like first how
We want justice for Fufi.
पुलिस किस सांगतात
पण आम्ही FIR फाईल केले बस झाले
What is the condition of that dog?
He's still got bullets in him, and they said it's risky to get them out, even if he has to go through a surgery.
but he is not like first how he's like
He's not letting his loved ones also come close to him now.
now he's not allowing the other dog to come to him he goes to bite
They have ruined it for us. And I want to ruin their life right now. And I want all of you guys here to help me out with it. We are with you.
and when she went to save the dog that guy came on her he abused her came on her touched her this is not right
Ridiculous. It's very sad that every time a case comes on an animal, quickly people are taking an action. If a child has been bitten or there's something else, and right now the dog, my poor dog, was escaping. If you see in the CCTV footage, he's just escaping, and he's like a hunter just going around shooting him. And his mother there behind is just I don't know how is she even a mother?
So you all met police inspector. What police inspector has to say about this matter?
What is that?
no he's saying you have to wait for court's decision only on after court's decision they can arrest him but this is not right we know we have a DSPC officer as per
you have to be inside
BNS 325 as per BNS भारतीय न्याय संहिता म्हणटा पळय त्याच्या अंडर तेणी ताका अरेस्ट करूंक जातलो सेम थिंग वी हॅव डन टू ओल्डा पोलीस स्टेशन केस जाली ती सेम करून ताका अरेस्ट करून आमी 3 दीस दवरून मागीर दे हॅड एप्लायड फॉर अ बेल एंड दे वर रिलीज्ड ओके बट एटलीस्ट तुमी तांकां धरल्या शिवाय आतां तांकां कितें जालां इजी जालां सगळ्यांकूच इजी जावन पडलां हें तांकां खबर आहा सुण्याचेर म्हणून कांय एक्शन जायना
So what your organization is going to do about the animal?
No, we have filed a separate this thing from our side. Okay, and I request to our government, I request our CMO to please take some strict action this time, because in this couple of months this is the second case. Okay, so I request our CM, please take a strict action on this and please form a new law. Otherwise, this will keep on repeating again and again. आमी आसूनय मागीर कांय फायदो ना कसो DSPC कित्याक आमकांय म्हणून सगळे ह्या लॉन हें पोवन करचें पडटा बट एज पर दॅट इफ दे आर नॉट एक्टींग देन वॉट मोर टू से
What we have observed is that, there are so many complexities in the law which does not permit for fair justice in a short period of time. By the time the public forgets everything, the accused forgets everything, and the matter goes to sleep. So my concern is that, making an example of a case is very, very important for the general awareness of the public that if I do a crime, this is what I can be faced with. So our main intention is to get quick action.